Yo guys, before we dive into the video, I want you guys to subscribe to the channel if you want me to make more videos like this one. But without further ado, let's dive into the top 5 best cryptocurrencies to invest in as of 2021 April. Now, March wasn't really the best month for cryptocurrency. However, April will definitely be something different. Well, make sure to stick around till the end of the video to find out the top 5 best cryptocurrencies to invest in 2021. Well, coming up at number 5, we have Ethereum. One of the main philosophies behind cryptocurrencies is the decentralization of currency. Ethereum takes that a step further. Rather than decentralizing money, Ethereum's goal is to decentralize the internet by replacing servers with a worldwide system of nodes, creating one computer for the entire world. Ethereum is a software platform based off blockchain technology in which users can exchange a cryptocurrency called Ether. Ether has become one of the most popular cryptocurrencies in the world, with a market cap approaching $139 billion. That puts it second only to Bitcoin in market share, but the real draw is the platform itself, which has become widely popular as a host for other cryptocurrencies. In other words, not only do investors profit from one of the best and most popular cryptocurrencies on the market, but also from the wider users of Ethereum itself. Coming up at number 4, we have the Binance Coin, better known as BNB. Like Ethereum, Binance Coin is much more than a cryptocurrency. As a matter of fact, Binance Coin was originally hosted on Ethereum until the Binance Decentralized Exchange, or DEX, went online in 2017. The Binance DEX is a platform much like Ethereum, albeit with a different mission, of course. The Binance DEX is a decentralized platform where users can not only buy and sell Binance coins, but you also use BNB to convert to other cryptocurrencies from one to another. The reason for this is because BNB is basically not a cryptocurrency that goes up and down. Usually it's a cryptocurrency that is normally steady. The third cryptocurrency that you guys should look into is Tron, or better known as TRX. The past year brought extreme upheaval within the entertainment industry, leaving it ripe for disruption. This is exactly the sort of opportunity the founders of Tron must have been hoping for when they built a decentralized blockchain-based platform for sharing content. Well, whereas many of the biggest entertainment companies in the world profit from gathering and selling data about their users, using Tron leaves no such footprints behind while it protects users. Well, Tron also allows creators to monetize their content directly via Tronix. You guys should definitely look into Tron, as you can make some big money out of this cryptocurrency. The next one you guys should look into is Chainlink, better known as Link. Well, the Ethereum platform is predicted on smart contracts or agreements between two parties on a blockchain network, with the transaction recorded in blocks of data. The problem is that these transactions can only occur on a platform like Ethereum, and they need some way to draw real-world data into the platform in order to execute smart contracts when certain conditions are met. The solution is data providers called oracles, and while several crypto platforms have created ways for oracles to retrieve data from their network, well, Chainlink has come up with a reputation system that guarantees the data as accurate. Now, the last and very least cryptocurrency that you guys should definitely look into is Litecoin, better known as LTC. Now, cryptocurrencies tend to seem obscure and complex to those who don't really understand the underlying technology, but Litecoin was created to help fix that. In fact, founder Charlie Lee wanted to create the light version of Bitcoin and develop a cryptocurrency that could play the role of silver to Bitcoin's gold. Well, Lee did just that with Litecoin in 2011, creating a cryptocurrency that adopted many of the best features of Bitcoin with some twists. For instance, while Bitcoin transactions take about 10 minutes to confirm, Litecoin transactions are far faster, taking less than 3 minutes. In addition, while it takes specialized hardware and impressive raw computing powers for users to mine Bitcoin, so Litecoin has much more lower system requirements. But yeah guys, that's the end of the video. If you made it this far into the video, hit the thumbs up button and also look into these top 5 cryptocurrencies. But without further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.